now that we have found the server and it's in 3 a.m. in the morning, the first thing that I do is I fly all the way over here and I get the diamonds on this side. Looks like there isn't any red diamonds over there, and I'm assuming there isn't going to be any green diamonds over there, but you never know until you check. And once you look at that, there is a green diamond over here. And the next stop is to the principal's office. And there is a red diamond in the principal's office. So I'm gonna quickly get that. Then next stop is to get the lockers. Once I got my books, I'm gonna go fly all the way to the art room. So once I'm here, the first thing that I usually do is go to my classes and check what classes that I have for the day. Now, if I have art first and it's, for example, where I have a baking right now, then I will go to the art room and get the art diamonds first. And if I have PE before art, then I'll go get the PE diamonds. But since I have both of them more later in the day, I'm gonna get both of them. And there aren't any diamonds here. Now I'm just gonna go check these, and there aren't any diamonds here. There's most likely a diamond farmer in the server, and I think it's someone because someone has the fly pass, which as a person that doesn't have any game passes, of course, is quite frustrating. But you know, you have to realize that you're not the only one that's trying to farm the diamonds. And the green one actually just spawned here. Then I'm gonna go teleport to breakfast so then I can get the diamonds on this side. And luckily, the diamonds are here, so I'm just gonna go pick every single one of them up without wasting any time. Now I'm gonna go check the art room. And the red ones have just respawned, so I'm gonna go get them. So now English is starting and I just get these small diamonds at the back here. I know they're only worth 1 and altogether they're just 6, but I mean, I can get them, so I get them. And on mobile, it's best because you can fly around and do it. You don't have to stay there. So now I'm gonna fly all the way to the PE place. And it's a bit annoying because there's a big rectangle obstructing the way, but you can still see, so it's not that bad. And there is a red diamond over here, so I'm just gonna go get that. Before baking, I'm just gonna go get this red diamond, and I'm not sure if I will have time to get the 2 green diamonds, But that's perfectly fine because after I make a batch of cupcakes, then I'll just go get them. And it looks like I might have time, so I'm just gonna get the... It looks like I might have time, so I'm just going to get that green one, and then I'll come back and get the other one. Now, baking is one of the classes which I personally find easier to do on mobile. And to be honest, I have started farming on PC, and I like farming on PC because you can go on like private servers that are not yours. Like, for example, you can go on friends' private servers or search private servers on YouTube. And there are a lot of private servers on YouTube that you can use. And sometimes when those private servers are empty, then it's really beneficial because, you know, you basically get a private server all to yourself. And I usually go for the all blue vibe to match with my outfit, and then I'm just gonna go fly all the way and get that diamond. And I'm not sure, but oh, there's a diamond farm around the server. I think that if you use the magical broomstick, I've heard that it makes you fly faster. I'm not sure if that's true, but I might try it out because I do have the broomstick. Just gonna go get the broomstick and, you know, try it out. Does it really help? I'm not really sure. I might do some sort of experiment. And my tip for this lesson is if you can get a consistent pace, then that's optimal. But sometimes I'll do like a B, a C, like that, and just go like really quickly in like batches, if that makes sense. But if you can do them more consistently, then oop. I'm personally not so good at the mobile one because I don't really farm a mobile as much. I think I should though, because farming a mobile is actually quite enjoyable. And sometimes farming a mobile is actually easier to like glitch into the walls and stuff. And we're lucky enough to get an A star. I'm just gonna go quickly see if I can get this green diamond. If it will let me glitch through. Oh no. There we go. Quick, 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 quick. I might not have enough time to get the green diamond, but it's fine, I got the red ones. And for chemistry, I like to sit in these chairs because it's just less embarrassing if you know, mess up and you have to fall into the water. Oh, we're so close, but it's fine. Looks like most of the diamonds have been taken. I'm just gonna go get these. Whoa, 7 rounds. I actually don't find this broomstick quite helpful, so I'm gonna take it off. And next is PE. Oh, looks like I'm still in the sitting animation. Anyways. Just gonna check over here again. And the red diamond has spawned, so I'm just gonna go get it. I'm gonna fly directly over I think I'll be able to fit here. Quick. Yep, I can. Oh, that was so lucky. So yeah, we got the diamonds beforehand, so now they won't be spawning in this area. And good news for you, that means that you got the diamonds, but that's also bad news for the other diamond farmers on the server. And instead of going to the PE diamond area, I'm gonna go all the way to the entrance diamond area. Even though it is farther away, next we have lunch, so I will have enough time to fly over there. My whole kind of pathing is just, if you're in PE, then get every single diamond that's not in the PE unless there is a diamond there. And if you're in art, get all the other diamonds that are not in art and get the art and PE ones before that lesson, if that makes any sense. And it looks like that they haven't respawned yet, and I just remembered that there is one in the art room that I haven't gotten yet, so I'm just gonna go get that one. And the other, oh dear. Yeah, we love that. Are available. I'm gonna see if I can get this green diamond before quickly, and yes I can. I'm gonna go fly over here. Then I'm gonna go through here and just get the green diamond from here. Oops, wrong way. So I'm just gonna go quickly get them because, you know, diamond farmers on the server and they have fly pass and they can, you know, go for it. Oh dear, it's not doing me justice. Oh no. Well, that's great. Uh-oh. Yep, that diamond has been taken. Let's try the red one and let's hope it's there. And it's still not there. Let's try the last one. And luckily, so this is actually the last lesson of the day, which means that we get homework next. Then I like to do my homework and then give it my homework, and by the time I do that, my energy is probably going to be 0. And I'm also going to visit the Fountain of Dreams. And I'm just going to go fly to those areas while I do the homework. And the multitasking of doing homework is easier on PC, but so I have art, computing, and English, which is quite lucky. Oh, and we have a leveled up. I turned it in? Now I'm going to teleport to Divinia Park. Uh-oh. So we actually lost diamonds, which is unfortunate. Bruh. So in this farming session alone, I will put the time that it took in the screen right now, but we have gained in this farming period, which I think is actually quite good without any game passes. And we could have gotten more, like I'd say maybe, but seeing as we had a lot of servers which weren't the best, and we just didn't have a lot of luck in general, it was pretty good. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Pop. So in this video we have so in just this farming session alone, which I'm pretty sure